Alan Keogh, buddy, you're the man. Hey, I'm glad you like the Factory Smokes Maduro. This is the Candela with the green grass wrapper. So I'm going to spark it up for you and send you one in the mail. Give it a V-cut. Here's to you, buddy. Torch the foot. Ow, ow, ow. Drew Estate cigars, like their factory smokes, are very smoky cigars. They give off a lot of smoke. I like the Candelas. They're a little longer. They're about 7 inches and gauge of about 52, maybe 54. You were telling me that the Factory Smokes Maduro was a surprising $2 cigar. I guess it is. I've had $10 cigars that weren't as good as that or this. When I was a kid, before I was old enough to smoke, I snuck out and got a hold of some Garcia Vega green cigars. Used to carry them. It was a gas station cigar, and they didn't card people back then, so I was able to pick them up. We're gonna have to get together and see our old friend Joe at the Night Owl sometime. Hopefully it isn't a liquor license. I mean, not for him. I'm glad he's got it, but I kind of prefer the coffee crowd myself. I miss you, buddy. I got these at Thompson Cigar. I bought a brick of them, and each one cost about $1.60. Can't beat it for the price. For my budget, that's important. Glad you like the pictures I sent. I'm sending some more with the next shipment, and you'll get them whenever I accumulate a few cigars. I'll send you for some, and maybe Hannah will get one too. If he's watching, hi Ron, Hannah. I just wanted to check in, Alan. I'll see you sometime in probably the fall, after I visit my sister in Massachusetts and one in Rhode Island. I'll try to get that doctor to set up an appointment for me to be an inpatient at Seaside Terrace again. I hope I can. If I can't, then maybe I'll be able to visit you guys, as it seems that after the COVID shots, the visitation might be loosening up some, so we'll see. All right, take care, buddy.